Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another episode of I Can't See Myself. I'm just gonna do, show you guys the little routine that I do most nights, not every night. I cannot claim that this is a daily routine, but most nights out of the week I do it. And I'm also gonna do a mask. So if you guys are interested in watching, then stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. Sorry you're gonna be all up close and in my face. The first thing I'm gonna do is I just have these little just like little cheapo wipes from the Dollar Tree. These, I mean, they're just cheap little makeup wipes. Whenever I'm feeling rich, I buy the Neutrogena ones, but for now I'm using these. And I usually just take my micellar water and just squirt it all over this, because these really don't take my makeup off that well, because I need full coverage and it's just a lot of makeup to take off. And the first thing I do is wipe down to get all that, at least break all that mascara down. It's a little bit too much on there. I actually slept in my makeup last night, which is what I've been doing quite frequently, and I need to stop. I'm gonna do kind of a different mask today. I've never seen this one or used it. Actually, yes, one time I heard somebody saying about it, actually, I think. I will show you what that is here in 1 minute. And then I just take another one that's not drenched in that, because these really aren't that wet. But what do you expect for $1? Wipe off my ears too. And the neck. It has been so freaking hot. I cannot stand it. I need to get 2 more air conditioners. I get one for my filming room and one for my living room, because right now I only have one, and that's in my bedroom. Okay, so here is the mask that I'm going to do. This is the Jeju Natural Volcanic Mask. Just says after cleansing, soothe your face with toner, which I don't use toner. I just think it's a waste of money, honestly. If I've never noticed a difference with it, so I spend my money elsewhere, like with creams and face creams, eye creams, good face wash. I don't use toners. Then it says remove the mask from the pouch, put the sheet mask on top and bottom portion of your face, soothe the mask gently to ensure good contact with skin, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes until the nutrients of the mask are absorbed, and then remove the mask. So I'm just gonna put this on. See what it smells like. Perfumey. It says to make sure it has good contact with skin, and I think that's pretty well on there. Except right there. I know I look beautiful, guys. You don't need to comment. Tell me how beautiful I look. Now that you can't see my face. Okay, guys, so 20 minutes and I will be back. Okay, guys, now I am back. I took the mask off. Now I'm going to go wash my face. I do not do a mask every night. I just don't. But today I wanted to do one because I haven't did one in a couple of days. So I figured I'd just throw that in there. Kind of like, this is the perfumey smell kind of got to me. And I don't know. I don't notice a difference yet whatsoever. But I will notice a difference when I start using after I use my face wash, because this makes your face feel like a baby's butt. It's like so smooth and so soft. It's like the best stuff like ever. I love this stuff. I will have links for all the things I will be using in the description below, in case you want to get it and try it. I know they do have samples. I have to ask for them at Ulta. But when you buy this, I know when I bought this, I had a sample of the face cream in there. So, I mean, that might be in there. But I'm going to wash my face with this, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm using paper towels. I'm just weird about germs. I don't know. It's spotty weird. I always use paper towels. Okay. So, a little bit about this cleanser. It's called It Confidence in a Cleanser. It says, for all skin types, skin transforming hydrating cleansing serum, anti-aging armor. And then on the back it says, gently massage into wet skin for 30 seconds every morning and evening. Rinse and pat dry. Skin is left feeling soft, nourished, and perfectly balanced. Follow it with your favorite It cosmetic treatment or moisturizer. For external use only. Use only as directed. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Now, you get 5 ounces, and I'm not kidding you. You need like a pea-size amount. Like a teeny tiny amount. Like half the size of a dime. Like literally a pearl. Like a tiny little wee bit of this. So this is going to last you 6 months, probably. This retails for either $28 or $38. I'm not sure. I think it's $28 is what this retails for. Okay, so moving on. The next thing I do is I use the Confidence in a Cream. Now, I was out of this for a little bit and like just got it because I was buying samples of this. And I absolutely love this. This is called, I think I already said, It Confidence in a Cream, which is with their Confidence line. And this is, again, for all skin types, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, Anti-Aging Armor. And then directions, apply to skin in the morning and evening, using upward sweeping motions, applying to face, neck, and anywhere your skin needs moisture to rejuvenate. So, anyway. Oops. Never took that little thing out. It's stuck inside. Okay, so you literally only need like a finger swab of this too. You don't need much of this, and that's probably too much, but, and I have like extremely dry skin. And I don't sweep up. I mean, I do eventually, but I just like rub it all over. And just like wipe it down my neck. I do everywhere but my eyes. And this has a, like, a light, trying to think of how I'd want to say it. Like orangey, like an orangey kind of smell. I don't want to say it smells like oranges, but anyway, so that's it. And like, you only use like the teeniest, tiniest little bit. This retails for $48, I believe. I'm pretty sure. It'll be in the description below, the exact prices. This is definitely worth getting. I love this. Like, my face doesn't feel greasy. Even in the morning whenever I wake up, like, my face does not feel greasy. Like, I love it. Okay, and the next thing I do is I use my It Confidence in an eye cream. Again, the Confidence line. This says brightens, well, it's anti-aging armor, of course, for all skin types, and it brightens, repairs, and transforms. Okay, now this, like, I've been using this for a while, and you see I haven't even really off the top very much yet. Although I do probably use more of this than I should, because I just do. I don't know. I'm weird like that. I love, like, my eye cream. But I just put it on there like that. And then just kind of rub it around. I don't rub it, like, completely in. And then, like, I pat it, but make, you know, big circles. And I've been using this for a while, and I do notice a difference in the discoloration, like the darkness of my eyes and the wrinkles. You can see it totally took away the wrinkles under my eyes. This really big one that went is gone, like instantly, like bam. I just like to pat it in there, like really get it in there. And again, that wrinkle gone. It's a little black stuff on me. Okay. And then the next thing I do, I know this is weird, but I take spoolie and I comb my eyebrows. Let me just get this thing closer here. I comb my eyebrows because I'm always afraid like they're gonna dry and then they're like gonna stick up like your hair does if you go to bed with it wet. So like I comb out my eyebrows. And then the weirdest part is I brush my lashes. And this has nothing to do with skincare, but I just pick myself in the eye. Don't mind me. Sorry, keep getting out of frame. And then come this one. Now, I don't use this spoolie for anything else. I only use it like on my clean eyelashes. I I don't use it on anything else whatsoever. I don't be wiping dirty stuff into my clean lashes. There. Okay. The next thing I do is I take some pout mud. This is the, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that or not, the Glam Glow pout mud. My eye right over there, like watering. Okay. Anyway, this stuff is like so nice. If you've never used this before, you need to try it. It's just like a really nice moisturizer. It's tinted. They have some nude colors. They have pink colors. Trying to show you. Oh, this one's just a, wait. Yeah, this is just one that, an extra one. I got the wrong color one day. Then they have like this one, this one, this one. They have a nude pink, and that's it. It's the only two I don't have. But I will link these down below too. They're on sale at Sephora right now for $9. Don't get them at TJ Maxx. I mean, you're gonna pay $1 more for them there. Like, they want $10 for those, and they're only $9 at Sephora right now, and they've been on sale for probably 3 months for that price. Yeah, so it's not really worth it. I would always check at Sephora or Ulta before you buy anything at TJ Maxx, because there's been a lot of things there that they want more for than, you know, any other place. Like the Anastasia Glow Kits, the Moonchild and Aurora, they were on sale for $20 a few weeks ago, maybe it was a month ago, but they were on sale for $20, and TJ Maxx had them for $25. Make sure you look, because it's crazy. Another thing that I have not used that I do want to start using, and Nicole, my little sweetheart, got this for me, but the full size retails for $69, so I wanted to try it before I bought it, and I didn't even know they had these, and they do. Just little, like, travel sizes of the secret sauce, and this is like awesome. This is says clinically advanced miraculous anti-aging moisturizer. That's what it is. But it is like, doesn't really have a smell to it, but it's supposed to be some great stuff. I have not yet tried it. So if you're curious about this, the next time you talk to me, ask me about it. Not in the comments though, because I don't know yet. I'm going to use it tomorrow. Okay guys, well, that was it for this video. Just wanted to show you what I did when I do my skincare routine. I should be doing this every day. In the morning, I will wash my face again, and I won't put the eye cream on again, and I won't put the face cream on again unless I'm having a bare face day. Like, if I'm going to put makeup on, I'm not going to waste this. It's too expensive. I'm not sure if I told you the price of this one. I think this one is the 38 or 48. I don't know. It'll be in the description below. Anyway, well worth it. It is the best stuff ever, I'm telling you. Okay guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Hit that little red button down there and the notification bell. That way you're notified of any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time.